Meet the HE&M 260 BSA horizontal pivot double miter bandsaw. The 260 BSA has a cutting capacity of 10.2 inches wide by 5.9 inches vertical at 90 degrees. Uses a 1-inch blade that is driven by a 1.8 horsepower, 220 volt, 2-speed motor. The 260 BSA gives you both speed and accuracy in mitering angles up to 45 degrees both directions and 60 degrees left. Swing the arm to the desired angle as indicated on the protractor scale. The scale is easy to read and locks at all angles. The 260 BSA miter capacities are 3.5 inches wide by 2.4 inches high at 60 degrees left miter, 5.9 inches wide by 5.9 inches high at 45 degrees left miter, and 4.7 inches wide by 3.9 inches high at 45 degrees right miter. The saw uses a patented hydraulic system integrated in the machine that allows a fine adjustment of the saw arm feed rate and cutting pressure for effective metal removal rates to cut all kinds of material. A stationary control console is located at the front of the saw, allowing for the operator to control the saw and watch the cut clearly at the same time. Vising is hydraulic and easily adjusts to clamp the material, holding the workpiece securely during the cut. The guide arm is adjustable to help stabilize the blade and reduce vibration, providing optimum blade support for straighter cuts and longer blade life as material sizes change. The saw has a wide full-capacity cutting surface for piece support, designed to have a comfortable and practical cutting area. The plates for piece support can be removed for smaller material and can be turned upside down to be used as new plates. The blade speed is easily adjustable from a knob on the console of the saw. The manual blade tensioner helps to maintain proper blade tension at all times during the cutting process. An adjustable hard stop measuring device can be used to cut material to the same length repeatedly without constant measurement. The base is a robust structure constructed with 3/16" steel with a finish that is painted bright and smooth. A large chip container is provided for easy cleaning. The saw has a totally built-in coolant system with a sealed coolant pump. The coolant is dispensed through the guide arms on both sides of the cut and a flex tube nozzle to flood the center of the cut. Thank you for watching our overview of the HE&M Saw 260 BSA horizontal pivot double miter bandsaw. For more information and to submit a quote, visit our website at hemsaw.com.